guys, what's up? I'm gonna go squirrel hunt today. I don't really know much to say, but for YouTube, I'm accompanied by an adult, and this is for educational purposes. So this should not get demonetized. Yeah. Real quick recap. If you didn't see, you probably didn't see it. A squirrel went up that line, went up a tree right out there, and it went up a tree. I can't find it. I'll probably come back if I see it again. I might just move. Okay, guys. The squirrel seemed to just randomly somehow got away. Disappeared on me. So we're going to my special spot. It's like 3:30, so got about 3 hours. I got till sunset, but you know, not really. I'll just see how I do, I guess. I saw 2 in the one afternoon. I didn't kill them though. It's the day before season. So see you when I get to my spot. I'm gonna change plans, guys. I'm gonna walk that trail out there. Here we're squirreling. I'm gonna look before I move, you know. So stay tuned. Okay. That's what I'm gonna say. So to YouTube, I'm practicing gun safety, so you cannot demonetize this video. Somehow. Squirrel. I was walking over to pick my squirrel up, and there a rabbit jumped up, and I had my gun ready, so couldn't have hit him. We're out into the woods though, so it's a great thing to know, you know. Let's see if I hear another one. Or did I kill him? I'm pretty sure he ran, so you know. There he goes. trapping yet, so I tried to put it down. There he is, twitching. Get around here to him. Got my second one of the day. He was eating hazelnuts. There he is right there. I'll come back in a second and I'll show you everything that I got for today. First time I've ever videoed and got one. Well, actually, earlier on in my YouTube, I got one, but it wasn't on camera like these two were. Hey guys, I'll wait for the video unless I, see anything. Now, I saw a moving out there. I'm not sure. It's right off out there.